Good morning, so I'm just cleaning at the moment. The charger ran out. Hoover ran out of battery after like 5 seconds, so it's charging something we need to know at the moment. I need to clean it in all the presses. These are like stained. It's not even like, I thought that it would like they clean off, but they're full on like.
Yeah, I wonder if somebody is smoker in here.
It doesn't come off. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna paint them anyway though, so fuck it. But
yeah, exactly. Actually, we walked down to the hardware store. I want to get one of the locks.
Yeah, it's flashing though.
Oh yeah, shit. We can drive.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us?
So today we're going to IKEA. Woohoo! I literally can't wait. I don't know what time though because we have to wait for the oil to be delivered we have oil heating. We have to wait for it to get delivered today and they didn't give us any time, so hopefully they'll come not too late so we can go early, but if not they're open until 9, so I think we'll just go in the evening anyway. So yeah, I'm just cleaning and then I need to start some editing. And Connor's just ringing like everywhere, which I don't mind because once I don't have to do it I literally don't care. Right, it is clean. We need to get a recycling bin. I actually don't think I've shown you the sitting room in a while, so I will show you that now. So we've put a few things in. We borrowed these from Connor's mom. God, now I'm having deja vu and I'm pretty sure I showed you, so I'm so sorry. And we've got the Nesta table, so that one and the one the TV's on came together. We got them in Aldi and I actually love them. I think they look so nice. And they're nice quality as well. And then over here, that's a little moon lamp, literally from Deals. It's nice though when it's lit up, but there's no batteries in it yet. And then these, like, everything's going to change. Like, we've got shelves that we need to bring down that we're going to put like all these kind of little bits on. That's obviously just Connor's drink. And then this is from Next. Pennies Next. This came in a set of 3 like I showed you the other day, with the other 2 that are under the TV. And let's see will it work for me today. Yeah, so that's off, and then you can turn them on, or you can choose like a timer, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, which is so handy because like you don't need to panic about forgetting to turn them off. And then this, my friend Carla only got me this in for our Chris Kindle the other day. So this is Wicks and Wax Ireland. The thing is, and so is the wax. It smells incredible. I just added another one of those in because why not? And then yes, that's that for this section. And then we're just using that one for the TV at the moment. Obviously we're going to IKEA today, so hopefully they'll have some sort of like TV thing that we can, what's it called, TV stand that we can use. I just want a simple enough one, but with maybe a tiny bit of storage underneath for like, just, I don't even know what you need storage for in here, but I just know that we need it because we're already running out of space. And then this is just a little tree that Connor's mom gave us, so we're just using that because it's a bit late now, like it's the 21st of December, so like yeah, we also don't really have time to get a Christmas tree organised, so we're probably just going to stick with that one for now. But I'm going to have a look probably in the range during the week, and if they have any little bits I'll get them. And then I'd also love a wreath actually, but I don't want to get one that I don't like, so then that's just another spare chair. We usually use it as a footrest at the moment because like sitting in them at night, like I just love putting my feet up, so we use that. And then that's just a little blanket as well because I'm always freezing. And then these pillows, the black pillows are mine. So I got them, the covers on Amazon. I think they were like €8 each, but I actually saw really similar ones in Pennies. These are so soft though. I'll link these ones below in case you want them, or in case Pennies is closed when you're watching this, because it might well be very soon. So yeah, and then I actually quite like the floors in here, but we're gonna have a look for a rug today too. And yeah, that's kind of the only update really down here. We bought soup yesterday thinking that we were geniuses for lunch, and I literally just realised that we don't have a microwave yet. So I'm gonna have to fucking heat it on the hob, which I've obviously never fucking done before. Like, fuck my life, I hope it's quick, because I'm starving. I'm having a cup of coffee while I wait though, because I had one earlier and just, it wasn't nice, so it just didn't really satisfy my coffee need, if you get me. So having one now, because I know this might take a while, and then I'll make a sandwich to go with it, or will I just have some brown bread with butter? Tough decisions. And yeah, just brought up Connor a coffee as well, because he's building his IKEA drawers, so I can hear loads of fucking thumping of him doing that, but he's nearly finished, so he's actually doing grand. The oil's here. They have to bring it through the house. The oil is done, so we're finally off to IKEA. I'm so excited. I've literally been waiting to go for so long, honestly. There's so many things I want to have, such a long list, but don't worry, we made one. I'm gonna try my best to take you along with me, but I can't guarantee that I'll actually remember, especially because we're getting probably so many bits and like big things. So, but I'll show you them afterwards anyways, and I'll show you what I remember to you.
My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style.
I think we want to do these handles in this colour. Obsessed. Good morning. It's now the next day, as you can probably guess. I was so tired last night, like I didn't get like anything done when we got back, but we got back pretty late because we stopped at my mum and dad's on the way home to get stuff. So here I am. I am just up now. I'm so tired. I don't know why I'm this tired, like I'm wrecked. But anyway, Connor is making breakfast. We're having a really healthy breakfast of jambons and sausage rolls, because fuck it, like it's the only time we get away with it. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the stuff that I picked up from IKEA. I'm hoping Connor hasn't put it all away, but anyway, I'll show you it anyway. So actually there were so many bits that we wanted to get that they didn't have. We went at like 4 or 5 o'clock and there was no traffic, like it was so no traffic. There was traffic there because on the way there, because there was a crash, but it wasn't bad otherwise. But then when we actually got to IKEA, it was not busy at all. It was dead. It was actually like strange, like really weird. The quietest I think it's ever been when I was there. And yeah, they didn't have loads of stuff that we wanted though. We really wanted this couch that's really nice, but they don't have it in. She said they might have it in next week, so I'm gonna trek all the way back in, or else we can pay €50 delivery. So I'm like, I don't know if it's worth it or not, but there's a few other bits that I want. There was like a roundy mirror we really wanted. There was a longer, wider, full-length mirror that I wanted. I also wanted to get another set of Alex drawers, but I forgot. So perfect. And what was the other thing? Oh yeah, there was a dining table and chairs that we really wanted, but then when we got there it wasn't black, it was dark brown, and it looked really dark brown in the shop. I'd say if we had it at home it probably would look pretty much black, but we just didn't want to risk it. I'm really sad. It was really nice. The chairs are really nice. It's just a plain black table, and the chairs are black with little grey cushions, and then they're really nice, really vibey. And then it had a little bench for the other side, so it would have been perfect for us because we don't have that much space so we can tuck the bench in. But anyway, maybe we'll just go for it, because we actually got a TV stand that's, we thought was black, but it actually was dark brown when we got there. Apparently on the box it said that, so we just took it anyway, and we'll see. So if that's okay, then we might just get the dining table and stuff. We'll see. Oh my god, actually another thing I really wanted was these really nice black, there's such a shine in my glasses, these really nice black, still is, these really nice black handles, and like knob handles for the Christmas cupboards, for the kitchen cupboards. And yeah, of course they didn't have them in black, they had like every other one, and it even said that they had them, but I hope I can get something similar somewhere else, or else I'll just order all this stuff, or else maybe try to go in next week and see if they have it. I also got this little bar cart thing that kind of is in the middle of the building. It's very good.
A little bit of them.
Very healthy breakfast. Just a little bit for the bar cart. It's a TV stand.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what we want, isn't
Yeah,
it?
I think it's just a fucking light on it.
Yeah.
It's so annoying.
This, if it's the same as the other stuff, then. So what's this one called? I'm going to show the little bits that we've got. So, got these for tea and coffee. Got these for some biscuits from Chloe K now. And then I got some vases. Oh my god, my heart. I love this one. One of these things. So we've got these mugs that are so nice. I just washed them. So there's only 2 of them left. Got 2 of them. So we've actually got loads of mugs. We've got 2 pint glasses. We've actually already got loads of glasses that we got in Dunn's. Got some more. And then these for a little latte. And a spatula and a wooden spoon. And then we picked up 2 boxes of these stainless wine glasses, but they're like grey. They didn't have clear ones, but these ones are actually really nice. They're like that. They're grey. I got this little tray, it was only $7.50. I literally just got like 3 bins for the bathrooms. That was pretty much it, really. Here's the new rug and bar cart, and oh, we also got this. Ignore everything. We got this little side table, and that's the TV stand. It looks so good. Honestly, makes the room look bigger. It's weird. I don't know what it is. The mat makes it bigger. Connor and his friend just came and took my drawers and my desk, my other drawers that were over there. Now I'm left with this mess to sort out. His friend has a van, so they're bringing them down to the house with all the furniture from Connor's house as well. So it feels a bit too official. official now. I'm not able. Might sob for like the 25th time today. Home Alone.